How to fix Facebook incorrect password. In this video guys, we will talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first, you don't need to open your Facebook app. Open now settings of your device, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option, as you see, you will find all the applications that you have already on your phone. You will search only for Facebook. Open Facebook, then scroll down the screen and click on storage. Here on storage, you have to go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back it, click on force stop, click on OK. And what you should do right now, you have to restart your phone. After restarting your phone guys, your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you another